Good morning, children. Previous class we taught about the concepts of inheritance and their types, how can we derive, and then constructor and destructor about also we learn. But today, in this programmatically, how can we understand, sir? How to write a coding, sir? That about we will teach today. Okay, yes. In this program, what concept based on single inheritance, okay, and constructor and destructor. Okay, using display statement. Sir, what display statement? We know here basic concepts of oops, two concepts were covered now. One is single inheritance and then same time constructor and destructor. In this constructor and destructor both will come to under the public scope. What's the public scope? That about now I'm writing a coding. In this program, every program we know as include IO stream. Okay, yes. In this C in and C out, everything it will come inside the input and output stream. That's why it's the include files. Now, using namespace, STD. Okay, yes. In this coding, we are introducing a class because of single inheritance. We know the concept of single inheritance, only one base class, only one derivative class. Here, we're making a program class. In this class is what, sir? The class name is father. Okay, yes. In this inside the same constructor and destructor concept. That's why public. In this inside the public, same class name is also constructor name. That's why here we will see father and then open brace. So same class name is a father, constructor name is a father, but we'll want to see an output or see an output alphabetically. We know A for active. Okay, so A for active. Okay, yes, active. In that statement also endl. That's why declared endl closed and then close brace. Okay, this is a constructor. But again, we want to see destructor. The constructor and destructor name is same. That's why we'll introduce till the symbol for the open and close. Here also C out. Okay, here B for brave. The statement B for brave. So it should be declared by handle. In this open brace, it should be closed by, okay, close brace. You see here for the constructor open and close, destructor for the open and close, but body should be terminated by semicolon. Okay, yes. So in this area is what, sir? In this area is nothing but this is base class. This is base class. In this base class, will continuation process. The concept is single inheritance. We know single inheritance means only one base class, only one derivative class. In this coding, base class is father, derivative class is son. That's why we're making a coding. Already we declared here base class is over, but now we'll see derivative class. The derivative class son colon public Okay, but sign came from father. That's why we'll make it program father. Yes, yes. Here, this is a class sign colon public father. But in this coding also, we'll open brace again. Want to see here public scope. Okay, here public. Okay, here the name is sign. That's why sign constructor open brace. Already declared A for active, B for brave. Here also in the C out. Here C for courageous. C for courageous. Okay, yes. The statement. This also it should be terminated by handle. Close. Here destructor same sign open and close. Here also C out. Here D for what? Dutiful. D for dutiful. This statement or so it should also terminate by endl or other statement will come means endl need, otherwise not necessary. Suppose endl it is not mentioned in this line also, it's no problem. Okay, here body should be close. Here in this class statement should be semicolon. But process, this is important concept. In this concept is single inheritance. Single inheritance. Okay, yes. So single inheritance concept however. Here single inheritance concept over. But constructor, where is constructor here, sir? Here father. Here also son. Okay, sir. In this process is constructor. Okay, here also constructor. Okay, yes. Where is the destructor? In this process, tilde symbol. This is mentioned for the. This is destructor. Okay, here also here tilde symbol. This process is also destructor. Okay, yes. But this is a base class. In this area is a derived class. This is a derived class. But the program it should be complete finally. So in this continuation process. Always he said the finally the process is okay. Here in this statement is a int main. Okay, yes, open. But in this program the finally the derived class name is son. So here declared a son and then x. Why? Because here son is a derived class name and then here x is object name. X is object name, but sy and son is derived class name. This is object name. In this program it is int main. That's why we will introduce return 0. Okay, int main open brace and x it should be in semicolon. This is a derived class. X is a object name. Return 0. The program closed. Okay, yes. In this coding, start from this hash include iostream.h and then using namespace STD. Here class name is father, but constructor name is father, but it's under the scope public. For constructor and destructor also same time. Single inheritance means only one base class, only one derived class, but here derived class is signed public and then father is a base class. Okay, here same son is also constructor declares a statement. Here tilde symbol declares statement. The program should be int main. Your sign is a derived class name. So x is object name. So return 0. It should be closed. Sir, what do you say, sir? Finally, what do you say? Now I'll come to the result part. First, what output will come, sir? In the statement, first one is this one. A for active. But you're showing for B for brave. But constructor output only will come to first. That's why This is second statement. C for courageous. And then second statement destructor. Why? Because constructor means order-wise, destructor means revise or reorder, or constructor means ascending, destructor means descending. Okay, yes, the constructor process or every show out will see out in a order-wise. This is destructor means reverse order. That's why C for courageous and then D for dutiful and then return back here finally. This is fourth output. So the final conclusion, it will come to the output in this program. Output what's in this program? Output, I will say now. First statement is A for active. A for here active. Yes. And then what is the third one? C for courageous. C for courageous. Okay, yes. And then, sir, in the statement D for dutiful. Why? Because the destructor. D for dutiful. Okay. The final destructor is B for brave. This is B for brave. Okay. This is final output of the coding. So my dear children, I think so you can understand for this single inheritance and at the same time constructor and destructor. Okay, this output will get it. Okay, yes. Now I will give the homework for you. That homework is what, sir? The same single inheritance. The same single inheritance. In the single inheritance base, sir, what to do we solve, sir? The solving a problem is here. I will tell the statement. The statement is what? E for earnest, and then F for faith, G for generous, and then H for honest. Okay, yes. These four statements we want to see an output. Homework, single inheritance, we want to see an output. E for earnest, F for faith, G for generous, and then H for honest. If you do this homework, in your fair note, you take a photocopy, send it to my personal WhatsApp number. I believe, I trust my children. I think so you can understand very well writing a coding. Okay, as we will see the next class will goes to next type of inheritance. What? Multiple, multi-level, hybrid, hierarchical. About we will see in a future class. Same constructor and destructor concept also. The main one is in this constructor and destructor. These two under the scope is what? Public. This is 1 mark, important 1 mark. But in this program, inheritance and constructor destructor, these two concepts is a important concepts in OOPS. OOPS is nothing but object oriented programming language. Okay, yes. We will see the next class about different types of inheritance. Okay, thank you, my dear children.